Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about the functions of different mountings and accessories of the boiler. So in last video we have seen what are the different mountings and accessories. So in this video we are going to learn their functions. So one by one we'll see. Now if you see here, this is a water level gauge, or it is also called as water level indicator. Basically, this boiler is used to produce a high pressure steam or high temperature steam from the water. So, we have to supply the water to the boiler to produce the steam. So, to indicate the level of water in the boiler, a indicator is used or a gauge is used or a device is used. That device is called as water level indicator or water level gauge. It is used to indicate a level of water inside the boiler. So if this indicator is not there, if supply of water is less to the boiler, then there may be increase in temperature of boiler and there may be explosion. So water level must be maintained in the boiler, so that to indicate that level, water level gauge is used. Then second is pressure gauge. Pressure gauge means to measure. So pressure gauge means to measure the pressure inside the boiler. It should be in specified limit or it should be in design limit. It should not increase the pressure beyond some specified limit. So to indicate that pressure, a pressure gauge is there. So function of pressure gauge is to measure the pressure inside the boiler. Then safety valve. Now, generally, this safety valve is also used for uh, some safety purposes. Name itself indicate. All of you know the pressure cooker. Everybody has a pressure cooker inside your kitchen. So inside, in this pressure cooker, there is a valve is mounted at the top side. Whenever pressure inside the pressure cooker increases, that valve is get operated, and excess pressure will leave from the pressure cooker. Same here, safety valve function of safety valve is same as that of pressure cooker. Whenever pressure inside the boiler is excess than the design limit, then design pressure, then this valve is get operated and excess pressure inside boiler will get relief. So function of safety valve is to relieve the excess pressure from the boiler. Then steam stop valve. Now, as function of boiler is to produce a high pressure steam, that high pressure steam is used for different purposes like cooking foods, then for other purposes, so that you have to take out that steam from the boiler to that particular application, so that there is a valve which is called as steam stop valve. So whenever you want to use a steam produced by the boiler for particular application, then this valve is operated. You can take out the steam. Again, that valve can be closed uh, to have more steam. So function of steam stop valve is to take out the steam from the boiler for particular application. Then chimney is there. From chimney, the hot flue gases will leave to the surroundings. Cylindrical shell is there. This outside portion of this boiler is called as shell. Manhole is there. There is one hole. From that, a man can enter in the boiler to do the maintenance or cleaning purposes. So whenever the boiler is in not operation, you have to clean the boiler from inside, so that there is a hole. From that hole a man can enter inside the boiler for maintenance purpose or for any repair purpose. Then feed check valve. Now there is a feed check valve which is a non-return valve. From that valve you can supply the water to the boiler. So you have to produce a steam from the water. So ultimately you have to supply the water to the boiler. Without water we cannot generate the steam. So feed check valve is used to supply the water to the boiler. So it is a non-return valve. Only one direction you can supply from outside to inside. Then grate is there where the coal is burned. Then firebox is there. This is a total firebox where a total your coal is placed and it get burned. Fire door is there, it can open and close. Then the blow off valve is there. Whenever you want to empty the boiler totally, you want to take out hold the water from the boiler. Okay, it is at lower side. Some, if there is a mud particle, dust particle in the boiler, if you want to remove it, then this valve is get operated automatically. Due to the gravity, all the water from the boiler will get out from this valve, so it is called as blow off valve. So likewise, this all are the mountings which are used for safety of the boiler. If any one mounting is get failed, then there will be a problem to the boiler. So next we'll move to the accessories. Generally, boiler mountings are used for safety. Remember. Now three accessories are there. One is a superheater, then economizer and air preheater. So all these mountings are mounted inside the boiler, which are used to increase the efficiency of boiler. If any one mounting is not there, then there will not be any problem. It is not necessary to put a accessories. Boiler accessories is used to increase the efficiency of boiler, and boiler mounting is for safety. Boiler mounting is compulsory for the boiler. Boiler accessories is not compulsory. So here a channel is shown. Fuel or coal is burned inside the furnaces, and that hot gases will pass from the superheater, then boiler. In boiler, uh, this is the water, and upward side there is a steam. Due to the heating of water, steam is get produced. Now, whatever steam is produced in the boiler, in that steam, there may be some water particles, minute water particles. So it is called as saturated steam. So that saturated steam is passed from the superheater. In superheater, what will happen? Due to the hot gases, again that saturated steam will get heated here, and again that saturated steam is get converted into high pressure steam. Okay, so superheater is used to heat the saturated steam in the boiler, so that here heat required to convert the water into steam will be less. In boiler, you have to convert water into steam. Okay, now already here steam is generated. In that steam, minute water particles are there, so it is called as saturated steam. That saturated steam is passed from the superheater, and again there will be heating of that saturated steam to convert that saturated steam into the full high pressure, high temperature steam. So here in superheater, heat required to convert saturated steam into the pure steam is less. But in boiler, you have to convert water into steam. So their heat required will be more. So that there will be increase in efficiency if you put a superheater here. Then this hot flue gases from the furnace will pass from the superheater, then boiler, then it will pass from the economizer. Now, generally, economizer is used to heat the water which is supplied from feed check valve. Okay, from feed check valve, water is supplied to the boiler. Okay, here a feed water pump is there or feed check valve is there. Water is supplied, and that water will pass from the economizer. At same time, from economizer, hot flue gases are flowing, which are generated from the furnaces. So in economizer, what will happen? This water supplied to the boiler will get heated again. So whatever water is supplied to the boiler, it will be the heated water. Initially, there will water is at room temperature, but now you are supplying a water which is heated one, because in economizer water is get already heated due to the hot gases, hot flue gases which are leaving from the chimney. So here water will get heated, and that heated water is supplied to the boiler. So in the boiler, to convert that water into steam will be less. Heat required to convert water into steam will be less. So here ultimately again there will be increase in efficiency. Now next is air preheater. Now, air preheater is mounted between chimney and economizer. Now what does this air preheater will do? Now you can see here, Air preheater will extract the heat from hot flue gases which are passing from the chimney to atmosphere. Then that heat is supplied to the furnace again. Okay, what air preheater will do, it will extract the heat. These gases are passing to the chimney, to the outside, so heat of that gases is it is not having any importance. So air preheater will extract that heat from the hot flue gases which are leaving outside the chimney. Then that heat will supplied to the furnace. Okay, so to burn the coal here, energy required will be less because this heat is supplied. So ultimately, uh, you required a less energy to burn the fuel. So in this way, there are three mountings are there: air preheater, economizer, and superheater. So all these plays important role to increase the efficiency. These are not compulsory for the boiler. So this is all about the boiler mounting and accessories. Thank you.